Hey nail tech, hey, or whoever's watching, shorties are a big trend right now, and I want to show you how I got this perfectly pink set. First of all, you got to start with your beads. This is over a fill, so I already had a little foundation. My goal is to always try to drop the acrylic ball close to the cuticle, not on the cuticle, not on the skin, or too far into the sidewall. But it's good to have it on the sides really well so you can cover that up and you won't get any lifting on the sides. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm carefully placing my acrylic in all spaces that are needed and keeping it nice and clean. Foundation, foundation, foundation. Okay, let's see that again. Another one. Drop right at the cuticle. Try my best not to make it messy. It was a little wet for me, so I had to take my time. I had to slow down a little bit and kind of guide the acrylic. There was a little excess. I took it off at the tip and then went back to clean it up around the cuticle. Shape, shape, shape. All right. Put a little bit more next to my cuticle. Shape, shape, shape. Dab, dab, dab. Okay. So it's pretty easy when done on shorties because, you don't got too much to deal with or work with. All right, one more time. Let's watch that again. Okay, so this ball was actually a little dry. I still got it to my cuticle. But when it's a little dry, you kind of got to add a little bit more pressure to the acrylic with your brush. And as you can see, it didn't make it all the way down to the tip. But you know me, I'm going to go back in, dab, 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 and I'm going to clean it up. Now keep in mind, it's important not to overdo it with the acrylic so you don't have bubble looking nails. Shorties do not require too much acrylic, but you want to have enough acrylic so you can end up with this. A good foundation, nice and solid. Full coverage, that's what we're going for. Okay, nail tech, time to file. All right, this part is important. Keep your file nice and straight on the sides. Try not to go too far underneath. Let me show you that again. Straight on the sides, straight. Don't overfile, don't overdo it. Don't use too much pressure, but get those sides pretty good. Okay, while you're doing this, always keep in mind the amount of pressure you're using. Overfiling can cause lifting, cause little cracks on the side of your nails, and you don't need that. So as you can see, I'm just filing my seams, getting it nice and straight on the sides. Very clean. Okay, time to use that e-file. Girl, be careful around them cuticles. And what I mean is don't cut her. Use your bit in more of a circular motion. Let me show you that one more time. Slow down. See how it's more circular? It's not too straight, but use as much pressure as you need to kind of smooth that nail down and remove excess from the tip. All right, carry on. There you go. Smooth that out. Smooth that out. Clean it up. Circular motions. That'll give you your best outcome. Avoid cutting her. Do not cut her. Okay, nail tech, time to buff. Use pressure on this part. That'll keep that gel smooth. Ooh, look at you. Smooth, shorties, sexy. Hey. Okay. This is the gel I was talking about that should be nice and smooth. Now do what you got to do. Use as many strokes as you need to make sure that gel is smooth and does not distort that shape that you work so hard to get. Okay? All right, nail tech, let's wrap it up. Oil her up. And then let's get some cute pictures and videos because this should be your final product. If it's not, keep practicing. You'll get better and it'll look like this, nice and clean. All right, nail techs, see you next time.